Hey everyone, this is Rima's Culinary Adventures and we are making minced lamb and lentil stew. Our ingredients are oil, minced lamb, salt, bay leaves and cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds that I've crushed very lightly. This perfumes the stew beautifully from the get-go, but you can always use whole seeds or powdered cumin seeds. Then we need some minced onion, grated garlic, minced tomatoes, tomato paste, a can of pui lentils that I have rinsed under running water and drained very well to remove all the excess liquid, paprika powder, you could use some chili powder instead, some turmeric powder, some vegetable or chicken stock. I simply make mine by adding a stock cube in hot water. You could use plain water instead. Fresh thyme, lime zest, quarter to half a lime, honey, and some parsley or coriander leaves, and some frozen peas. Place a pan on high heat and add a teaspoon of oil. Swirl it around so that the entire pan is coated and add in the minced lamb. Add a pinch of salt and saute until all of the moisture has evaporated and the meat's lovely and golden brown. Browning the meat like this adds a lot of flavor to the stew, therefore it's a step that I wouldn't skip. Once done, remove all of the minced lamb with a slotted spoon and set aside. Don't rinse or wipe off any of the brown bits now because that also enriches the flavors of the stew. Add in the rest of the oil and once that's hot, add in the cinnamon sticks, bay leaves and the crushed cumin seeds and saute for a minute to release the flavors. Reducing the heat to medium, add the chopped onions and the salt and saute until the onions are soft and golden. Because this is a quick recipe, we are not trying to caramelize the onions. Now add in the grated garlic and saute until well combined and fragrant. We only need to saute for a minute or so on medium-low flame to ensure that the garlic doesn't burn. Now add in the tomatoes and saute on medium-low heat until they have completely disintegrated and the moisture has evaporated. This is where the moisture from the tomatoes helps dissolve the fond at the bottom of the pan, which adds a lot of flavor to our stew. Now add in the tomato paste and gently mix in to well combine. Now we add in the turmeric powder and the paprika powder and stir in to combine. Now we need to cook this mixture for another 30 seconds to a minute, just until the spices are fragrant and everything is well combined. Now we stir in our minced lamb and the drained lentils and give everything a good mix. Here we are trying to coat the lentils and lamb in all of the lovely flavors and dry off the last little bit of moisture that may be on the lentils. Now add in the warm stock. You could always use some warm water instead. We'll just have to taste and adjust seasonings at the very end. Add in the lime zest, fresh thyme, and mix well to combine. Now we want to bring the stew to a boil and then reduce the heat right back down to a gentle simmer and place the lid back on. Now we let the stew gently simmer away for about 20 to 30 minutes with the lid on, making sure that we stir every so often so that nothing catches. When the stew is almost thick to your liking, add in the frozen peas, some honey or a sprinkle of sugar, some lime juice, and some herbs and mix well to combine. Now simmer for about a minute or so, or just until the peas have thawed out, and discard the whole herbs and spices. Now check for seasonings and adjust with a little bit of honey, maybe a bit of lime and salt if you want, till the flavors are just right for you. Now place the lid back on till you're ready to serve with some rice, naan breads, or just on its own and enjoy. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.